Hey everyone, new video special from my official YouTube guys and Telegram channel Team Scribble. Please check guys this address and don't forget follow guys. Today I'm gonna show you how make money online and I'm gonna teach you how make money online on this official guys website 1xbet. I think you know this casino guys. Also guys, I'm gonna play in this game Crash game. You can find this game here, 1xbet here, 1x games here, over here, 1x games and Crash at the game. Okay, now guys, I'm running this game. Also guys, special for this game, I'm gonna use my super application Elevator Predictor guys. This program gonna help me for earning money, and now I'm gonna show you. So guys, here you can see lifetime right now, fresh day to day. Okay, exactly, and here egg to 1xbet time and egg to my Android time. Okay, by the way guys, $65 my starting amount for this game. Okay friends, I'm ready. Let's play, let's make money. I am running guys on this super application Elevator Predictor, and here guys, Sales Casino, I choose 1xbet because I use official website 1xbet. So guys, this application loading. Okay, and you can see next page, Crash Predictor for the game Crash. Here guys, my official pages, check please again, and current coefficient guys right now is 0 because this application is still loading guys. Now I'm waiting change current signal guys, and I'm gonna make the bet. Okay, you can see current coefficient guys already changed, 3 and 72 guys. Okay, let's check this round, and on the next round, let's for example $50 guys, $50 will my next bet. So you can see guys, the playing Crash on this signal, really crazy application. Next round 1 and 0.5. Okay guys, I'm gonna skip this round because this is really fucking coefficient guys. Just let's check this round. Okay, you can see the playing Crash again, and next current coefficient guys 2 and 92. Place a bet guys, of course, place a bet. Let's check. You can see bet accepted in this table. My bet $50 guys. The plane gonna fly. And now guys, look at that, I press take winnings, $121 my winning, and the plane Crash. What the fuck guys, this is really crazy application. This is really crazy hack for Android device. Place a bet again guys, the same amount, $50, and now guys I'm gonna press take winnings again like this. Okay, success, and you can see guys, I won again here my history of winning on and look at that guys, 15 and 13 current coefficient guys for this round. This is really big coefficient guys. By the way, this is my total amount already. And like this guys, if you use my application step by step, every round you can earn money without risky, like this guys. Okay, let's take a look my lifetime again, fresh day to day. You can see the plane still flying. So guys, now I need to press take winnings. Let's wait. Okay guys, let's take winnings. You can see this is my winning and the plane Crash on this signal. This is really crazy application, almost $800 guys, my total amount. Okay, next step guys, now 1 and 12 next current coefficient. Let's check. You can see the plane Crash again. Next step, go to the personal account and withdraw guys, and on this page you can create a new withdrawal request, and you can withdraw your winning. For example, I use Visa card. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to follow to this YouTube channel. If you have questions, you can ask to support service Team Scribble support guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.